Hello students, today's topic we are going to deal a revise regarding autoclave. Autoclave, it is one of the sterilization method or technique. Sterilization is a term referring to any process that removes or kills all forms of microbial organisms such as fungi, bacteria, virus, spore forms, etc. present on a surface contained in a fluid or in a compound such as biological culture media. Or you can able to say that in the hospital setup, it may present in any surgical instruments or any wound dressing instrument or any procedural instrument or dressing materials, it may present. So like sterilization can be achieved by applying heat, chemicals, radiations, high pressure and filters on filtration of them. Okay, so over this, first we are going to see the revision topic of autoclave. Autoclave is an equipment used to remove microorganisms, particularly virus, bacteria, fungus, etc. and spores using high pressure and high temperature steam sterilization. ऑटोक्लेव क्या हो? ऑटोक्लेव करता है यहाँ पर पर्टिकुलरली हाई प्रेशर टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से वो स्टीम रिलीज करता है, उसके हिसाब से what happen, it will remove or it will we can say sterilize by killing the or removing the hazardous effect of the virus or bacteria or other microorganisms. So definition of autoclave: a pressurized device designed to heat aqueous solutions above their boiling point at normal atmospheric pressure to achieve sterilization. So I repeat, is a pressurized device designed to heat aqueous solutions above their boiling point at normal atmospheric pressure to achieve sterilization. So we can say it as auto means self, claves means self-locking device. Claves means self-locking device. Okay, so this is called autoclave. If history if you are seeing, far before in 1450 BCE, Moses has done a Pepin stream cooker. Then Hippocrates also used the heating method. Then Lazaro Spalanas, then Pasteur also used the sterilization technique. Then Denis Papins also used the first steam cooker technique. Okay, so over the 20th century, it was finalized by Charles Chamberlain in 1987, colleague of Pasteur, Louis Pasteur, building up an Papin's marmite from culinary to medicines. So Charles Chamberlain in 1851 to 1908, where he has finalized by 1987 the device. How does it work? Liquid water cannot be heated above 100 degrees Celsius in an open vessel. So at 100 degrees Celsius boils water heated in a sealed vessel. Liquid water cannot be heated above 100 degree in an open vessel. So that's the reason they had used a sealed vessel to heat 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so pressure rises, boiling point of water also raised. Autoclave uses. Autoclaves are used for microbiological purpose, then medicine, then for veterinary science, then for dentistry, then for medullary, that is particularly the equipments which are used for the surgical purposes. Then purpose of the autoclave: to prepare material for bacteriological cell culture, that is test tubes, pipettes, petri dishes, etc. without contaminations. Then prepare elements used for taking samples, needles, tubes, contaminations. Then sterilize contaminated materials like scissors, surgical knives, then dressing materials like gauze pads, cottons, then glasses, test tubes, glass slides. These all the instruments will be autoclave, etc. Then principles. Moving on to the principles, boiling point of water is directly proportional to the pressure when the volume is constant. So boiling point of water is directly proportional to the pressure when the volume is constant. So pressure is obviously a reflection over the temperature. When pressure is increased in a closed vessel, the temperature increases proportionately. That is, for about 15 pounds of pressure per square inch, the temperature rises to 121 degree Celsius. So when pressure is increased in a closed vessel, the temperature increases proportionately. That is, for about 15 pounds of pressure per square inch, the temperature rises to 121 degrees Celsius. This pressure and temperature is kept constant for 20 minutes during autoclave. क्या करेंगे 121 डिग्री सेल्सियस में प्रेशर को राइज करेंगे कॉन्स्टेंटली और इसको 20 मिनट्स हमने रखेंगे ये प्रेशर पे. सो दिस इज सफिशिएंट टू किल ऑल द वेजिटेटिव फॉर्म्स एंड स्पोर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिजम्स. तो मेन प्रिंसिपल क्या हो गया, डायरेक्टली हमने हीट करना है कितना पाउंड 15 पाउंड को. ओके सो कितना टेम्परेचर में 121 डिग्री सेल्सियस में कितना टाइम 20 मिनट्स के लिए. ये 20 मिनट्स रखेंगे. 20 मिनट्स ऑफ 121 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज मोर देन इनफ टू किल द vegetative forms of and spores of the organisms. The relationship between the pressure and the temperature of steam at sea level. Example, if you are taking PSI is the pressure, 0 pressure 100 degrees Celsius, then 5 pressure 110 degrees Celsius, 100 pressure that is excess of ATM pressure 116 temperature, 15 PSI 121 degrees temperature, 20 PSI pressure 126, 30 PSI is 135 degree pressure, which is already given in that one. Then construction, the cylindrical vessel made of gun metal controlled with time and temperature programmable by user. A black lid alphanumeric 2-line 32 character LCD display will be present. Then low water level sensor open short alarm and cut off. Then lid is fitted with pressure gauge, safety valve, safety fusible plug, manual exhaust valve and vacuum breaker. So a cylindrical vessel made of gunmetal, then controller with time and temperature, then backlit alphanumeric 2-line 32 character LCD display, then low water level sensor will be there, open and short alarm and cut off. Then lid is fitted with pressure gauge, safety valve, safety fusible plug manual, safety fusible plug manual, then vacuum breaker. The next, lid ensures an airtight closure in the autoclave. So हमने make sure करना the lid is tightly closed. Then a perforated plate which is used for keeping the material to the sterilized area. A perforated plate में sterilized area वहाँ पर हमने जो चीजें sterilize करना वो रखना. And then drain valve for easy draining and cleaning. Drain valve is present, easy for draining and cleaning. Then molded rubber gasket and stainless steel carrier along with heater cover stand. Mounted rubber gasket will be there at the door pleases and stainless steel carrier उसके ऊपर along with heater cover stand. कैसा रहेगा? We'll see in the images. Okay. Then operation principle, mainly when the pressure higher than the atmosphere, a higher temperature of 100 degrees Celsius needed to boil the water. So this steam contains higher energy than usual. तो यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, autoclave makes pressurized saturated steam in a chamber passing electrical current through a heating element in controlled manner. This energized steam takes place required sterilization. So this method is known as steam sterilization. Steam sterilization क्या हो गया, हमने पानी डाल दिया, पानी डालने के बाद 100 डिग्री अबोव हमने उसको बॉईल करवाना है. सो यहाँ पर क्या होगा 121 डिग्री सेल्सियस हमने रखेंगे. तो उसके लिए हमने एनर्जी क्रिएट करने के लिए कैसा ये हीट होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द हीटिंग डिवाइस व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द ऑटोक्लेव विद द हेल्प ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. तो इसको हीट करना शुरू करेंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली हीट क्या करेगा, वाटर एवापोरेट होकर स्टीम क्रिएट होगा. वो स्टीम को हमने बोलते हैं स्टीम स्टेरिलाइजेशन. So steam sterilization, you can able to see the pressure which is maintained is this line is called the timeline and the ambient pressure and temperature. Okay, this is called temperature pressure couple lines. So where the temperature is present the dotted line, the pressure is present in the straight line. Okay, so T1 is steam generated stage, T2 is sterilization stage, T3 is fast exhaust stage. So T1 is first this level we will be placing the generation stage. After that sterilization stage is T2, longer period of time. Then termination stage of T3, shorter period of time. Okay, so main components are heating elements, temperature controller, pressure sensor, chamber, door gasket, then solenoid valve and water level sensor. So इसकी हिसाब से heating element, this is the element which is used inside the autoclave for heating the water to produce the steam. Then temperature controller, this is the thermostat. At the same time PT100 the line connection will be present. This will maintain the temperature control where we can able to display in the digital display, we can able to set the temperature. Next, pressure sensor. With the help of this the pressure sensor, same like in our pressure cooker, the pressure sensor will be maintained. The next, chamber. This is the chamber. You can able to see where with the help of the plate they can able to place the sterilization area plate is present. You can able to see here. This is the plate where you can able to see. This is the plate area. You can able to place the sterilizing equipments. Okay. The next is door gasket. So this is the gasket which is present, which is covered over the autoclave machines. After that, the door will be locked. This is door gasket. The next, solenoid valve. This is the solenoid valve which is used for the valve which is connected with the nut and washers. Okay, this valve is present. The next, water level sensor. With this help of this, the water electrode which will be able to sensor what is the water level is present. If water level is not sufficient, it can able to give us the signal. Then working. Most autoclaves contain a sterilizing chamber to place article. A steam jacket where steam is maintained. Then steam flow from the steam jacket into the sterilizing chamber. So cool air is forced out. A special valve increases the pressure to 15 pounds per square inches above normal atmospheric pressure. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, ये ऑटोक्लेव में ऐसे एक चीज है, वहां पर क्या होगा, स्टीम क्रिएट होगा, वो स्टीम चेंबर में कलेक्ट होता है. सो यहाँ पर कूल एयर फोर्सफुली बाहर निकलेगा और ओनली हीट टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से जो वाटर का स्टीम फॉर्मुलेट हुआ था सिर्फ वो सर्कुलेट होता है. सर्कुलेट होकर इसके हिसाब से जो हमने स्टेरिलाइजेशन चेंबर में आर्टिकल्स रखा वो स्टोरेज रिलीज हो जाएगा पर्टिकुलर टाइम के हिसाब से. सो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, ये स्पेशल वाल्व इंक्रीजेस द प्रेशर टू 15 पाउंड्स पर स्क्वायर इंचेस अबव नॉर्मल एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर हमने देखा था 100 डिग्री, अबव 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस इट विल इंक्रीज. Temperature rises to 100 to 121.5 degree Celsius and the superheated water molecules rapidly conduct heat into microorganisms. So the time we are going to keep that will help in killing the microorganism in the particular material or equipment. For denser objects up to 30 minutes we want to give the exposure. Okay, for denser object, that means particularly object which is a glass which is containing the sample or culture. So where we have to keep it for more time. Okay, the schematic diagram of autoclave you can able to see here. This is the inner chamber. You can able to see this is the inner chamber and this is the steam in where the pipe connection is present. With this pipe connection the steam will enter inside. So this steam is surrounded entire the inner chamber. So it is having a inlet. The inlet, with this help of this inlet, this will enter inside and the steam used to get circulate around the culture media after getting the culture media cleared. So this is the way to enter inside. After that, this is the way where the steam used to get out where we want to remove the pressure gas valve. By removing the pressure valve, it used to get drained out. So this is the way how it will work out. Okay, so this is the diagrammatic representation of autoclave. Moving on to air removal. Various method involves are downward displacement, then steam pulsing, then vacuum pumps, then super atmospheric cycle, then सब atmospheric cycle. ये सारे मेथड यूज करेंगे हमने एयर रिमूवल के लिए. So types of sterilization यहाँ पर क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, dry sterilization and wet sterilization. तो dry sterilization mechanism क्या होगा, by destructive oxidation of essential cell constituents. So resistance spore required a temperature of about 160 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. So employed for glassware, syringes, metal instruments and paper wrapped goods. For this we are going to keep. So around 160 degree Celsius. This is for dry sterilization. Used for anhydrous fat oils and powders that are impermeable to moisture. Wet sterilization mechanism. Wet sterilization mechanism में क्या करेंगे, by coagulating and denaturing enzymes and structural protein, then resistance spore generally requires 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes. यहाँ पर क्या क्या रखा है, coagulating materials, then enzymes, then structural protein. ये सारे चीजें रखेंगे. इसको 121 डिग्री सेल्सियस में 15 to 30 मिनट्स हमने रखना पड़ेगा. पर्टिकुलरली यहाँ पर क्या क्या आएगा, एग्जाम्पल लाइक कल्चर मीडिया, बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, वो हमने यूज करेंगे इधर. Okay, यहाँ पर moist heat is more effective than dry heat. So lower temperature is given time at a shorter duration. So this is about the dry and moist heat. So उसके हिसाब से heat autoclaves, the difference between heat autoclaves, gas autoclaves and ultraviolet autoclaves. Heat autoclaves क्या करेगा? The most common source of autoclave is heating. Here the autoclave should maintain a temperature of at least 246 degrees Celsius for half an hour. Both dry as well as steam heat is used. So for steam heat autoclaves, heated water vapor are used. For dry heat autoclaves are used for moisture sensitive surgical procedures or instruments. गैस ऑटोक्लेव में क्या क्या यूज करेंगे? केमिकल्स यूज करेंगे. यहाँ पर केमिकल्स यूज कर गैस ऑटोक्लेव्स यूज ए वेपर सॉल्यूशन टू स्टेरिलाइज इट्स कंटेंट. एग्जांपल आपने देखा फॉर्माल्डिहाइड गैस एंड एथिलीन ऑक्साइड, पर्टिकुलरली ये यूज करेंगे. ओके, ये यूज कर उन लोग स्टेरिलाइज करेंगे. So consume lesser heat and take lesser time to complete the cycle. Then ultraviolet autoclave, they produce UV light that kills the unwanted disease causing organisms. These are the different types of autoclave. Then cold sterilization autoclave, they used a cold sterilization liquid to sterilize the content. Then laboratory autoclaves, they are used for general lab work, components and stability testing, core hardening and drying glassware and sterilizing. Then stove autoclaves, in such autoclaves the tool should always be separated to allow the steam to penetrate the load entirely. It is the simplest autoclave. These are the types of autoclave. So different types of autoclave: heat autoclave, gas autoclave, ultraviolet autoclave, then cold sterilizing autoclave, laboratory autoclave and stove top autoclaves. So these are the different types of autoclaves. तो आज का टॉपिक हमने रिवाइज किया था ऑटोक्लेव. ऑटोक्लेव मतलब क्या था, ऑटोक्लेव का मेन चीजेस क्या क्या देखा, ऑटोक्लेव का पार्ट्स क्या था हमने देखा, उसका मैकेनिज्म कैसा है, उसका प्रिंसिपल्स कैसा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसा था, वो सारे चीजें, पर्पसेस क्या था, वो सारे चीजें हमने आज के क्लास में डिस्कस किया. ओके.